coming over here to check up on Denny, see what he's up to today. Hey Denny.
Hey.
So, what are we doing here today?
I'm just doing some fine tuning, really.
Yeah?
Yeah. Checking the grill shell for porosity. Found some small pockets of air under the gel coat.
Yeah, because this isn't a plastic one, he got a fiberglass one. And I guess at the end of the day that's a lot stronger and
Yeah.
it'll be a lot crisper, much neater lines on it than the old plastic ones.
I'm just kind of going around checking that. I had to move a bracket around on the lower valance. It was in the wrong spot, so I drilled it off.
Nice.
And re-welded it.
That looks like a pretty nice nose cone, that.
Yeah, it's actually real nice. Just had a few little spots of porosity in it.
It's pretty thick.
We lined up the nose there, got the brackets. I cut this bracket off, drilled those welds out, moved that bracket around a little bit just to get everything lined
Man,
up.
isn't it crazy how this stuff, often doesn't line up perfectly and you actually have to change a, brand new part that you've purchased?
That's why it's very important to completely assemble the car before you paint.
Yeah.
Fit and assemble everything before you paint. That's the way to do it. That's going to look pretty nice. I had the grill in it too, the real expensive grill.
Oh yeah, that bullet aluminum grill you got.
It's very tight.
Yeah, I look forward to seeing that in there. Yeah.
You're gonna have to pull the jaws off.
Oh yeah, but it's okay.
It's gonna be a three-man job.
Yeah, not scratching the paint. Yeah, I'd be a nervous wreck painting the car and then putting everything on. Like I was saying to Denny the other day, it's like, I like to try and paint something as well as I can, but I like to put, I do the door jambs and then I put everything together because I'd be too paranoid about painting everything separately. Now I believe that, because we're doing a pearl and a metallic, I guess everything will be on when we do the final paint for that, because you need the continuity of going down the side with the pearl and the metallic, otherwise you're going to get blotching. Yeah, so I'll be interested to see how the progress goes, or the process goes with how Denny does it. And but it's starting to look really nice. I mean, it's getting real close now. It's nice to see a lot of you guys out there liking the builds, and had a lot of nice comments on this build on this Camaro. It's going to be a really beautiful car. Probably become a family heirloom for max $1 million. But yeah, this is one of the cars you do up and you don't sell. Yeah, Denny's complimenting whoever made this trunk lid. Maximum, you got it new. Oh. Who was the supplier for this trunk?
I don't know. I didn't see the box or the tag on it.
Yeah. Well, later down the road, I'm going to find out and, see, maybe drop a few names of the bits which were really good out there. Because Denny said that this trunk lid was practically perfect, which is quite unusual for an aftermarket part. That's nice.